In front of me is Infinix Note 40 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Notification Center. Then click on Sort By and decide if you want to sort your apps by time of received notifications, frequency of them, see apps with notifications on, or apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use green switches next to apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app available on the left and not only turn off or switch on notifications here, but also check out all of those notifications options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!